Let's have a look at the first countries that we are going to talk about. Okay, which number is Myanmar? That's right, it is number one. And the area is about 676,552 square kilometers. And the capital city is Naypyidaw. And this is the flag of Myanmar. Myanmar used to be called Burma, and the official name is the Republic of the Union of Myanmar. It was a British colony in the 19th century. And in 1948 became independent nation. From 1962 to 2011, about 50 years under the military regime. And in 2011 became democratic nation. Not long ago. Located on the western edge of the continental Southeast Asia, Myanmar bordered by Bangladesh and India to the west, China to the north, Laos and Thailand to the east. It has the access to the sea through the Bay of Bengal here and the Andaman Sea. One interesting feature is that the country has vast amount of forested land, in contrast to most Southeast Asian countries where timber reserves are fast becoming depleted. Now let's have a look at Thailand. Which number do you think is Thailand? Correct. Number 2. Thailand covers an area of 514,000 square kilometers. The capital city is called Bangkok. Shown on the screen now is the flag of Thailand. And in the past, it used to be called Siam. The official name of the kingdom is the Kingdom of Thailand. Thailand is centrally located in continental Southeast Asia, but has access to sea trade of the Gulf of Thailand here. And also the Andaman Sea to the west. One interesting feature is that it is the only Southeast Asian country that was not formally colonized by a European country. Now I'm going to tell you some information about Vietnam. But before I do that, Could you tell me which number is Vietnam? Well done. It is number 4. Normally called Vietnam, and it covers an area of 332,698 square kilometers, and the capital city is Hanoi. This is the flag of Vietnam. And the official name of Vietnam is the Socialist Republic of Vietnam. Vietnam lies off the eastern edge of the continental Southeast Asia with long coastline. You see, very long coastline. It was a country influenced as much by China and by India. And it is a country where both France and the United States fought bitter wars. Let's have a look at Laos. And again, my question is, what number is Laos? Correct, number 3. The area is 236,800 square kilometers. And the capital city is Vientiane. Here comes the flag of Laos. The official name is the Lao People's Democratic Republic. Laos is located inland between the People's Republic of China, Vietnam, China here, Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, and Burma. Laos is the only landlocked country with no access to the sea in Southeast Asia. It is a very mountainous country. The Laotian population numbers less than 5 million. And also, Laos is closely related to Thailand. Rice is the staple food and has such religions important that many traditions and rituals are associated with rice production. Let's have a look at Malaysia. What number is Malaysia? That's right, number 6. The area is 329,749 square kilometers, and the capital city is Kuala Lumpur. This is Malaysian national flag looks like. Malaysia is one of the most ethnically plural in all of Southeast Asia. Slightly more than half of the country is ethnically Malay. The rest are Chinese and Indian populations descended from the years of British colonial rule. When large numbers of immigrants were brought into work in the tin mines, rubber plantations, and other industries, One interesting fact is that Malaysia has made many great strides as a country in reaching developed country economic status more than any other agricultural-based country in Southeast Asia. The next country that we are going to talk about is Singapore, the smallest country in Southeast Asia. It covers an area of 581 square kilometers. Capital city, Singapore, because it's the island country. And the flag of Singapore, the national flag, looks like this. The official name is the Republic of Singapore. Singapore is a city-state that is only about 3/4 of a mile wide. It is one of the most important ports and high technology banking areas of Southeast Asia. It also has the highest standard of living in the region, owing to the fact that it is entirely urban. One interesting fact is that this is the only country of Southeast Asia where the Chinese population is dominant numerically.